got into his time machine and set the dial for ancient Rome. It landed with a loud crack. As it opened, he stepped out, and as the dust cleared, he realized he was right in the middle of a Roman army. A soldier grabbed his arm, but he managed to pull out of his grasp, leaving behind his watch. He ran back as a spear whizzed past his head. He punched his
All
return
these people make
coordinates.
something
The
using
machine
sand,
landed in
but the
silence.
last one has
As it
made the
opened,
world's
he saw
biggest sand
nothing but
castle.
gray skies and dead trees. Behind him was a city in ruins. A massive statue was half buried in the ash. It was an